What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get your hands on the new Yeezy 700 V3 Azareth that are gonna be dropping this Saturday. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do hit that like button, comment down below saying what do you think these shoes are gonna hit in 3 to 5 months. And you know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe, you feel me? We're on the road to 500. We just hit like 437, 438 subscribers yesterday as I checked. Thank you so much for all the support you've been showing, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Alright guys, so these Yeezy Azareths are gonna be dropping this Saturday, August 29th on Yeezy Supply and on the new Adidas Confirmed app. Now, it's not the regular Adidas app that we're used to for the raffles. It's gonna be the Adidas Confirmed app. So go to the app store, type in Adidas Confirmed, and it should pop up. If you guys are confused about the raffle, it's been switched over. Now guys, these are gonna be dropping in full family sizing, you feel me? So if you're trying to get the whole family laced up, you know what I'm saying, you can do that. Now, these are gonna be dropping in adults, little kids, and infants. The adults are gonna be retailing for $200, kids are gonna be $130, and infants is gonna be $100 US. Now guys, I'm just gonna tell you this straight up, bro. These shoes are hyped, boy. Like, when I say hype, fool, these boys is hyped, you feel me? It's a lot of hype surrounded around these shoes because they have been kind of floating around for a minute since Yeezy Supply showed some pictures of them, and you know what I'm saying, they just been hyped ever since. I do see these going for a whole lot of money, and I do kind of compare them to the original 700 V3 colorway because it's mostly the same shoes, just the upper is blue instead of beige, and the cage is translucent instead of that beige as well. Now guys, if you are new to the reselling game and this is gonna be one of your first sneakers that you're gonna cop, you know what I'm saying, this is that sneaker, you feel me? This crap is gonna go for some bread, so make sure you guys do cop these. Do not sleep on these because they is gonna sell out easy, bro. Like, they gonna sell out, fool. So make sure you do go all in on these shoes because these is gonna get you paid. Now, my thoughts is that stock should be decent on these. The only reason I'm saying that is because they are gonna be coming out in full family sizing, and full family sizing usually does mean decent stock. So stock should be pretty decent. It should give you a decent chance at copping it. I mean, I'm not saying it's gonna be like easy, but it's not gonna be like extremely hard, you feel me? So you do have a decent chance at copping these. You're probably gonna have the same chance that you had on the Resells. You know what I'm saying? Them was like semi-hard, but I did get my hands on them, so it wasn't that hard. It wasn't like impossible, but like I said, guys, as long as you don't sleep on these and as long as you get in early, you should be good on copying. Now, as of right now, they're only said to be releasing on 2 spots, which is going to be the Adidas Confirmed app and Yeezy Supply, you know what I mean? Now, Yeezy Supply is notorious for having like tiny stock, and then the Adidas app having the most of the stock. So make sure you guys do focus on getting your entry in on that raffle, and then focus on Yeezy Supply last, of course, because it's going to release, you know what I'm saying? So you're going to focus on it last. But like I said, the app is probably going to have the most of the stock compared to the site. Alright guys, now let's get into the resale predictions on this shoe. Now, pre-sale is already looking really good, you feel me? I'm going to pop a picture up right here. Prices pre-sale are looking, you know what I'm saying? They looking a little nice, you know what I mean? But hey man, you can already tell these things are gonna go for good money because the pre-sale prices, they're already about $200 to $300 away from the resale price, so that is a good indicator. Now, in my opinion, I do see these shoes going for $400 to $550 in the long term, depending on which size you do go for. And I will focus on the bigger sizes. Now, that's the mistake I made when I copped the Resells. I did get a small size, and of course, this is kind of like a men's shoe. You really don't see that much girls wearing this shoe. So focus on the bigger sizes, not the smaller sizes, and you're gonna maximize your profits on this cop. And guys, if you do cop this shoe, make sure you guys do hold, you feel me? Because if you hold this shoe, they are gonna go up in time. Now, I will recommend holding for 3 to 5 months to see a good return on these shoes. You know what I'm saying? You can't hold it like not too long, because if you hold it not for too long, they're not gonna really go up like that. So if you hold it for a good amount of time, these are gonna go up. That's just my recommendation, 3 to 5 months. And the best sizes to focus on going for this shoe, like I said, is like the bigger sizes, but in particular, I would go for 8 through 12 because I think those are gonna perform the best. Those are like some of the most common sizes for men, you know what I mean? Focus on them and you should be good. 8 and below, I mean, you're still gonna get good money, but it's not gonna be as good if you go over 8 and above. Now, if you guys did enjoy that video, make sure you guys do hit that like button. Comment down below saying if you are gonna go for these shoes and what you think they're gonna go for in the long term. And also hit that subscribe button and show some support, you know what I mean? It's been your boy.